Okay. Okay, first thing I better take the painting out of the frame. Change the bit on my drill. Number 2 tip. Make sure I put it on reverse. Over here. Set this over out of the way. Okay, so I'm wondering if I need to maybe do a little bit of sanding. I think I'll do that to see if it'll get the stain to go in there. So anyway, do that. Okay. My sanding block here. I think I'm going to go over the whole thing, and I'll do the whole thing over again. Just a little bit to kind of rough it up, see if that will really help. Boy, that wormwood sure catches my sandpaper with the holes in it. It's crazy. So, looks like around the edges. Maybe a little bit here. They look pretty good. Oh. Okay. Towel, wipe it off. There's quite a bit of dust on there, as you can see. Right there. Yeah, it really rubbed off good, so feels good. So I think it'll accept some more stain. So I got some walnut, dark walnut. This is pretty good. I've used it quite a bit. I think it'll be good for this, make that a little bit darker. So shake it up good. I got a new microphone. Yeah, I don't think you can see it on there. Hopefully it makes my video quality better. Audio, I should say. Grab some gloves. here. As you can see, it's quite dark. I think this is about the 4th coat I've put on here. But this first time I've sanded it, I didn't think about that till today. Well, maybe I'll sand it and see if that helps. So, yeah, that looks a lot darker. That might have been the ticket. Let's hope it was. Looks a lot darker. I'm going to go over it one more time without my fingers. And we're going to let this dry. I've got to get the heat going on here so it'll dry it quicker. So anyway, that looks pretty good. Let me go with that. So I'll be back when this dries.